hee hee ha. I have done it. The funny button. If you don't hear this, I am disappointed in myself. Here is the code to the funny button. Here I will explain every single detail with no thought. Impulsive, I know. Here we have AV Foundation under UI Kit. This is where we get everything we need. Here, variable player is AV player. Player item is player item. Crazy. Here we did a function, and I had to get a URL to make the Vime Boom funny sound, and I had to store it into the player item, making the player equal the player with the player item. So the player and the player item are now player. So now that the player and the A player item are complete one, we have to say player force it to play. Lab.text equals funny. What does this all make? The funny button. Thank you. I regret my life choices.